Hi there, I'm Manoj and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Apache Spark in any Debian-based Linux distros. It's very easy. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and type download Apache Spark. You need to go into the first link, which is of the Apache Software Foundation, and you need to select this Spark-3.1.1 and you'll be directed to this page. So in this page you need to download the Spark zip file from this first link. As I've already downloaded it, I'm not going to do it again. After you have downloaded it, open the downloads folder and copy the zip file into your home folder and extract it. As I have extracted it, you can see it here as a folder. After you extract it, you need to make sure that Java is installed on your PC. In order to check if Java is installed, run this command java -version. So if you see any Java version displayed here, that means Java is already installed. If not, please install Java first using the commands listed down below in the description. You need to have JDK version 8 or above in order to run Spark flawlessly. So as I have already installed Java, if you don't already have Java on your PC, just go down to the description and run the required commands to install Java. So after you have installed Java, you need to run this command spark hyphen your Spark version, which is 3.1.1, whatever the version you have downloaded, and hyphen bin hyphen Hadoop 2.7 /bin /spark cell. So as you can see here, a Scala terminal has been appeared, which means Spark has been successfully installed on your device. And Spark can be executed in many other languages. Some of them are Scala and Python. So if you are not comfortable with Scala, you can also run Spark programs using Python. So in order to do that, you need to press Ctrl+Z and exit out of the Scala mode, and you need to run the about command using PySpark. So this will give you a Python terminal. So using PySpark, you can run Spark programs using Python language. So that's it for this video. If this was useful, just hit the like button and I'll meet you in the next one.